folks, it's Ron with Ideal. You know what? I have a better way here for you. You know, commercial contractors and utility linemen work with ACSR cable really on a daily basis. It stands for aluminum conductor, steel reinforced type cable, and it's the kind of cable you'll find a utility company using from a utility pole to the service on a building, overhead power lines, even street lighting, and even those traffic signal lights will use a cable like this. Now, working with ACSR cable has always been a little bit more of a challenge because of that steel reinforcement in the cable. Now, Ideal has introduced the Merlin PowerBlade cable cutter here. It's our 35-077, and if you'd like to learn more about the tool, you can actually check it out on our website or contact our customer service department. Now, as I said a minute ago, electric utility linemen and service contractors will use a lot of different types of ACSR type cable. Now, cutting that cable to the right length, getting a lug on the end of it, and installing that service has always been a little bit of a challenge. And if you've ever tried to cut this cable, you know what a challenge it is to cut that steel reinforcement in the cable. Now, older, large cable cutters a lot of times will require just a lot of brute strength and will actually crush the cable in a lot of cases, which we refer to as footballing of the wire, so it gets a little hard to put a lug on the end of it, or bird caging of the cable, which actually deforms it in some other way. And in many cases, you know what, a hacksaw might actually work better, but obviously that's time-consuming and pretty labor-intensive and actually can leave a pretty nasty edge too. And you know, we've taken one of the hardest things there is out of working with cable like this and cutting it quickly and cleanly, and we're doing that with the power of a hand drill. The patent Merlin is designed to cut ACSR cable quickly and efficiently. With proprietary hardened steel blades, an adjustable torque arm, heavy-duty gears, it delivers unsurpassed performance, ease of use, and durability. The Merlin PowerBlade cutter is easy to use and attaches to virtually any cordless or corded drill, so that cutting the cable is as effortless as pulling the drill's trigger. Compared to Merlin to traditional battery-powered cable cutters, they require proprietary chargers and obviously batteries, and can cost 2 to 3 times what the Merlin does. If you have a drill, you have everything you need to be power-cutting cable, but the PowerBlade. The Merlin will cut ACSR cable that is 3/4 of an inch or smaller, which covers about 80% of the ACSR cable used on residential and commercial lines. When you get one of the PowerBlade cutters, it will come in a hard case for easy storage. I always love a tool that is simple in design and works really well. Talk about saving time on those jobs. This thing cuts ACSR cable like it's butter. With the Merlin, a lineman can make a one-handed cut, leaving the other hand free, holding the tail of the cable when cutting. This prevents the end of the cable from possibly moving and causing injury, which improves job safety. To attach the drill to the cable cutter, insert the cable cutter's drive shaft into the chuck of the drill and tighten. Then adjust the torque arm so it will fit around the drill, and then move the handle into the extended position and tighten. This will securely hold the drill in place when cutting cables. The handle will also fold out of the way for those extra tight places. The Ideal family of cable cutters includes the PowerBlade 750, which cuts copper cable up to 750 MCM. The Big Kahuna PowerBlade makes easy work of copper and aluminum electrical cables up to 1250 MCM, and the Merlin PowerBlade for ACR cables up to 3/4 of an inch in diameter. So contact our customer service department if you'd like to learn a little more about how you get your hands on one of these. And if you're a utility lineman and you cut ACSR cable all day long, you know what? I got your new best friend right here. The contractors we sell these things to absolutely love them, the way they work and the way they save them time and money. So thanks for watching, folks. I really appreciate it. I'm Ron with Ideal. I'll see you on the next one.